Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir. শোনা যাচ্ছে?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Poles and polars. What is pole and polar of a conic? Let this is a circle, okay, and P be a point, any point. Let P be any point, either outside the circle or maybe include inside the circle. Let P be any point. Now we draw a chords. We draw a chords through the point P. We draw a chord through the point P. Let the point of contact is A and B. Okay. Now this is a point A. The point A lies on this circle. Now we draw a tangent at the point P and draw another tangent at the point B. These two tangents meet at the point. Let the point is T. Repeat again. Let P be any point. We draw a chord through the point P. Let the point of intersection of the chord are A and B. Now we draw two tangents at the point A and the point B. Then two tangents meet at the point T. If we vary this point P, that means if we take the point Q here, then again draw a chord and then draw two tangents. Okay. Then these two tangents meet some point, will meet some point. Okay. Then if we vary these points, then we will get another points. Then the point of then the in the locus of these points, then the locus of these intersecting point of tangents are called the pole with respect to this point P. Then the locus of these intersecting points is called the pole. The locus is called the polar and the point is called the pole. So in words, the polar of a point, the polar of a point with respect to a conic is the locus of the point is the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents. Of the tangents to the conic at the extremities of the chords. The tangents are drawn at the extremities of the chords drawn to that point. Drawn that point. See this picture again. This is our conic, and let P be any point. Then we draw a chord. This chord meets the conic at the point A and B. Now we draw the tangents at these extremities. These points are called the extremities. Then we draw tangents at these extremities. Now let these tangents meets at the point T. Now if we draw another chords, like through the point P, the point P is fixed. If we draw another chords through the point P, then this is our point C and this is D. Then we draw another two tangents. This is our R. So if we vary the chords, that means if we consider these chords, then we will get more points. If we vary these chords, that means we will get two tangents for each chord. Then we will get each intersection point. Then the locus of this intersection point is called the polar. The locus of this intersecting point is called the polar, and this point P is called the pole. This point P is called the pole, and the fixed point is called the pole. Now, what will be the locus?
Please show me the previous page. What is the fixed point? P is fixed point.
Yes, yes. This point P is fixed point here.
Okay, sir.
The locus is called the polar, and the fixed point is called the pole. Equation of the polar. Equation of the polar with respect to circle. With respect to circle. Let the equation of the circle is x square plus y square equals to a square. That means the origin is at the origin, the center is at the origin, and the radius is a. Now let the point P is x on y on. This is the fixed point, our x on y on. Let AB be a chord. Let AB be a chord passing through the point P, passing through the point P, that means x on y on, and let tangents at A, tangents at A and B meets at the point T. Let the point is alpha beta. Let the tangents at P meets at the point T alpha beta, alpha comma beta. So actually the polar is the locus of this point, alpha beta. The polar is the locus of these points. Actually, T is not a fixed point. If we vary the chord, then we will get another point, another intersecting point T. So the locus of these points is called the polar. Now, equation of the chord. Equation of the chord is alpha x plus beta y equals to a square. Alpha x plus beta y equals to a square. এইটা আগে চ্যাপ্টার ছিল, স্কিপ করে গেছি। Equation of the chord is alpha x plus beta y equals to a square. Okay. Now this chord passes through the point P. See the picture again. Here this is our circle. Okay, and let this is our point P. So the equation of the line, equation of the chord AB is alpha x plus beta y. Is alpha x plus beta y equals to a square. Equation of this chord, alpha x plus beta y equals to a square. Now this chord passes through this point P. Obviously, this chord passes through the point P. So this passes through the point P x on y on. That means we have alpha x on plus beta y on equals to a square. We have alpha x on plus beta y on equals to a square. So we get a result including the variable alpha beta. So we get a result including the variable alpha beta, where x on y on a are all fixed. We get an equation including the variable alpha beta, and x on y on a are fixed. Therefore, the locus Therefore, the locus of the point alpha beta. Therefore, the locus of the point alpha beta. কি হবে এটা? We get a result alpha x1 plus beta y1 equals to a square. So what will be the locus? It will be x1 plus y1 equals to a square. Just put x and y instead of alpha beta. That means here alpha beta are variable. So we write this as x and y. So as we consider x, y are variable. So this is the locus of alpha beta, and by definition, this is the equation of the polar. This is the equation of the polar. এটা কিসের ইকুয়েশন হবে বলতে পারবে? x1 plus y1 equals to a square. কিসের ইকুয়েশন এটা? Actually x1x, here x1 is constant and x is variable. So x1x plus y1y equals to a square. Just consider like this, 2x plus 3y equals to 5. এটা কিসের ইকুয়েশন?
Straight line, sir.
Yes. So obviously the polar of a point with respect to some conic is a straight line. For any conic, the polar of a point with respect to a conic is a straight line. And also see this, if we consider the circle x square plus y square equals to a square, then what is the equation of the tangent? Then what is the equation of the tangent at the point x1 y1? Our previous classes. What is the equation of the tangent at the point x1 y1? The equation is x1x plus y1y equals to a square. So similar, the equation of the tangent and the equation of the polar are similar with respect to the conic. And the equation of the tangent and the equation of the polar are similar. That means if we consider the parabola y square equals to 4ax, y square equals to 4ax with respect to the point x1 y1, then what is the equation of the polar? What is the equation of the polar? Let's see this. Here y square equals to 4ax. This is our point x1 y1. So the polar will be just as like our equation of the tangent. That means y1 y instead of y square, and for 2x we will write x plus x1. So here will be 2a into x plus x1. This is the equation of the polar. 2a into x plus x1. For the ellipse, x square by a square. For the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1. The point is same, x1 y1. Then the polar will be x1x by a square plus y1y by b square equals to 1. For the hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1. The polar will be x1x by a square minus y1y by b square equals to 1. Here the point is x1 y1. And for the circle, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. This is the general equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c. and the point is here x1, y1. Then the polar of this point with respect to this circle will be x on x plus y on y plus g into x plus x on plus f into y plus y on plus c equals to 0. So the equation of the polar and the equation of the tangent same. Now
It's a previous page. Please show me the problem.
okay.
Okay, sir, got it.
Find the equation of the polar. Find the equation of the polar of the point 2 minus 1. That is, this is the point P. 2 minus 1. With respect to the circle, with respect to the circle, 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 5y plus 7 equals to minus 7 equals to 0. এটা নিজেরা করো, খুবই simple. And the equation of the polar with respect to the circle. Just apply the formula. Equation of the polar with respect equation of the polar of the point 2 minus 1 with respect to the circle 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 5y minus 7 equals to 0 is 2x square. That means it will be 2 and x on x instead of x square. Here x1 is 2 and y1 is minus 1. So 2 into 2x.
So এটা কি 5x plus y equal to 25 আসছে?
দেখি কি আসছে 5x plus y equals 25.
Okay.
2y square. So 2 into minus 1 y. Okay. Minus 3 by 2 into x plus x1. 3 by 2 into x plus x1 plus 5 by 2 into y plus y1. Here y1 is minus 1. So y plus y1. Okay. y1 is minus 1. Minus 7 equals to 0. So 4x minus 2y minus 3 by 2 x plus 2 minus 5 by 2 y minus 1 minus 7 equals to 0. So 8x minus 2y minus 3x minus 6 minus 5y plus 5 minus 14 equals to 0.
Sir, plus 5. Sir, plus 5y.
Yes, it will be plus 5y.
Yes.
So minus. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
So 5x plus 3y minus 6 minus 5. 6, 5, 25. Plus 3y. And answer is only y.
স্যার আপনি খাতাটার উপরে তুলুন স্যার ওটা তো মাইনাস
Plus
4y হবে স্যার 8x মাইনাস 4y হবে
কোথায়?
8x মাইনাস 4y
8x minus 4y.
ইয়েস স্যার স্যার 2টা যখন গুণ হচ্ছে স্যার 4y হচ্ছে
2y1 y. y1 is minus 1.
স্যার 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 2টা স্যার যখন ক্যালকুলেশন করছি স্যার
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এটা এখানে ঠিক আছে। Equals to 0. There are another part. Find the pole of the straight line. Find the pole of the straight line. 9x plus y equals to 28. And the pole of the straight line with respect to the same circle. With respect to the same circle. So here the pole is given. Here the polar is given. So find the pole. The first case here the pole is given. This is the pole. This is the polar. 5x plus y equals to 25. And in the for the second case, here the polar is given. Now find the point. That means find the pole. Pole means just find a point where the chords are drawn. Pole means the points where the chords are drawn. Let HK be the pole. With respect to some HK be the pole of the equation of the straight line. 9x plus y equals to 28 with respect to the circle. Now the polar. Now the equation of the polar. Now the equation of the polar. It is 2hk. So it will be 2hx plus 2y. 2hx plus 2ky minus 3 by 2 into x plus h minus 3 by 2 into x plus h plus 5 by 2 into y plus k minus 7 equals to 0. Okay, so we have 4hx plus 2ky minus 3x minus 3h.
স্যার 4ky
4ky minus plus 5y plus 5k minus 7 equals to 0. So
Sir,
4h.
14. Sir, minus 14.
Yes. Again. 4h minus 3 into x. 4h minus 3 into x plus 4k plus 5 into y. Okay, and the constant term is plus minus 3h plus 5k minus 14 equals to 0. And we compare this with this equation 9x plus y. There is 20 equals to 28. So if we write here minus 28 equals to 0. Now compare these two equations because this is the given polar. This is the given polar, and we have find this. This is the equation of the polar. So these two equations are identical. So by comparing, we have 4h minus 3. 4h minus 3 by 9 equals to 4k plus 5 by 1. This is equals to minus 3h plus 5k minus 14 by minus 28. And from this equation, you can find the value of h and k. First, consider these two equations, and second, consider these two equations. Then we will get two equations of h and k. Then by solving, we will get the value of h and k.
Sir, previous page টা দেখাবেন?
এটা সলভ করে নেবে নিজেরা। প্রথমে যে কোনো দুটো কনসিডার করবে, তারপরে ধরো প্রথমে এই দুটো কনসিডার করলে সেখান থেকে এইচ কে একটা ইকুয়েশন পাবে, তারপরে সেকেন্ড আর থার্ডটা কনসিডার করলে একটা এইচ কে ইকুয়েশন পাবে, দিয়ে সলভ করলে এইচ আর কে বেরিয়ে যাবে।
স্যার হয়ে গেছে, ঠিক আছে।
So that the locus of the poles, the locus of the poles of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square equals to a square. To the circle x square plus y square equals to a square with respect to the circle. With respect to the circle, x square plus y square equals to 2ax is a parabola.
Sir, what is the second equation of circle?
Yes, x square plus y square equals to 2ax.
2x is a parabola.
Read the question. The locus of the poles of the tangents to the circle x square plus y square equals to a square. With respect to the circle, this. There are two given circles. No point and no polar. No point is given and no polar is given. Only two circle, the equation of two circles are given. Okay. Let this is our x square plus y square equals to a square. This is 1, and x square plus y square equals to 2ax. This is our equation 2. See this here with respect to this circle. This with respect to this circle. That means actually this is the given curve for which we will find the polar. Let p alpha beta be the pole. Be the pole with respect to the circle equation 2. Let p alpha beta be the pole. Let p alpha beta be the pole with respect to the circle 2. Okay. Then the polar of p alpha beta. Then the polar of p alpha beta with respect to the circle 2. So we consider this is the pole. Okay. Then what is the equation of the polar for this with respect to this circle? This is our pole. So what is the equation of the polar? It will be alpha x plus beta y plus here 2ax. So 2ax means it will be a into x plus alpha. That means alpha minus a into x plus beta y equals to a alpha. Alpha minus a into x plus beta y equals to a alpha.
So,
Yes.
could you please show me the right side of the page?
The whole page is visible. The whole page is visible.
The whole page is not visible, sir.
Rotate your phone. Left side or right side? Left or right?
Now left side. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I have given that the poles of the tangents. So this is our polar 3. Let the polar 3 touches the circle, let the polar 3 be, since it is here given that this is tangent, let the polar 3 touches the circle on at the point x1 y1. Just we will assume only. Let the polar 3 touches the circle at the point x1 y1. Therefore, the equation of the tangents at x1 y1 with respect to the circle, only to the circle on. Yes. This is our circle 1, x square plus y square equals to a square, and we assume that the touching point is x1 y1. So what is the equation of the tangent? It is x1x plus y1y equals to a square. So this is the equation of the tangent. Also the equation 3 touches the circle on, because we assume that. Also the equation 3 touches the equation on. So equation 3 is also a tangent of the equation of the circle on. Since equation 3, that means the line 3 touches the circle, so this line is also a tangent at this point x and y1. Obviously the points are same, and also the equation of the tangent is x1x plus y1y equals to a square. So the equation 3 and 4 are identical. Yeah, this is our actual tangent equation of the tangent, and this. So the the equation 3, therefore equation 3 and 4 are identical. By comparing, we have equation 3 and 4. x1 by alpha minus a equals to y1 by beta equals to a square by a alpha. x1 by alpha minus a equals to y1 by beta equals to a square by a alpha. That means you have to find here x1 and y1. Find x1 and y1. From first and last, x1 by alpha minus a. x1 by alpha minus a equals to a square by a alpha. That means 1 by alpha. A by alpha. x1 by alpha minus a equals to a by alpha. So alpha x1 equals to a alpha minus a square. This is not needed. Only x1. x1 equals to a into alpha minus a by alpha. Okay, because we need x1 and y1, and y1 equals to, so y1 by beta equals to a by alpha. So y1 equals to a beta by alpha. A beta by alpha. Okay. Now this point x1 y1. This point x1 y1 lies on this circle on. The point x1 y1 lies on this circle on. The point x1 y1 lies on the circle on. Therefore, we have x1 square plus y1 square equals to a square. x1 square plus y1 square equals to a square. Just put the values. So we have a square alpha minus a whole square by alpha square plus a square beta square by alpha square equals to a square. So finally, alpha minus a square plus beta square equals to alpha square. Here there are a square common, and here both are alpha square. So we have alpha minus a square plus beta square equals to alpha square. Alpha square minus 2 alpha a plus a square plus beta square equals to alpha square. So we have beta square equals to beta square equals to 2a alpha minus a square. Beta square equals to 2a alpha minus a square. So this is a relation between alpha and beta. So the locus of the point alpha beta. We have to find the locus of the pole, and we have considered the pole is alpha beta. So we have to find the locus of the point alpha beta. Therefore, the locus of the point alpha beta is y square equals to 2ax minus a square. Y square equals to 2ax minus a square. किस इक्वेशन এটা? Y square equals to 2ax minus a square. किस इक्वेशन?
Sir, parabola.
Yes. This is the in the form y square equals to 4a x minus alpha in this form. And also the question is given that so that the locus is parabola. Hence, the locus of P. Hence, the locus of P alpha beta is a parabola. Hence, the locus of the point P alpha beta is a parabola. So that the locus of the poles, so that the locus of the poles of tangents to the parabola ay square plus 2b square x equals to 0 with respect to the ellipse. With respect to the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equals to 1 is the parabola. Is the parabola ay square minus 2b square x equals to 0. Similar to the previous question, just the curve are changed. There the two curves are circle. Here the first curve is a parabola and the second curve is an ellipse. But the process is same. And also the answer is also parabola here. The equation is given. A y square minus 2b square is equal to 0. This is the required equation. But all the questions are similar. Just the curves are changed. And the first curve is a parabola, and the second curve is an ellipse. So that the polar of any point, polar of any point on the parabola so that the polar of any point on the parabola x square equals to minus 4ay. X square equals to minus 4ay. With respect to the hyperbola, with respect to the hyperbola, with respect to the hyperbola, xy equals to 2a square will touches the parabola, will touch the parabola y square equals to 4ax. কোশ্চেনটা ভালো করে পড়ো, বারবার পড়ো। The polar of any point on the parabola. And with respect to the hyperbola. So any point on the parabola, that means any point on the parabola will be, let solution, let P, any point on this parabola will be in the form if the parabola is x square equals to 4ay, x square equals to 4ay, then the point will be 280 comma 80 square. But here x square equals to minus 4ay, x square equals to minus 4ay, so the point will be 280 comma minus 80 square. Just check it. Is the point lies on this parabola? Just check it. Is the point lies on this parabola? X square is here. 4a square t square. 4a
Yes, sir. Yes,
square
sir.
t.
Yes, sir.
Here t is the parameter. Okay. 4a square t square, and also here minus 4ay. Okay. Let P be any point. Let P be any point on the parabola x square equals to minus 4ay. Let this is our equation on. So this is the pole. This is the pole with respect to this hyperbola. This is the pole with respect to this hyperbola. So what is the polar? Therefore, the equation of the polar, the equation of the polar of P, of the point P, okay, with respect to the hyperbola. The equation is x square, xy equals to 2a square. This is our equation 2. So what is the equation of the polar for this curve xy? What is the equation of the polar? Or
Sir, এটাকে আমরা
2xy?
1/4 দিয়ে করতে হবে।
কি?
স্যার xy যেহেতু আছে ওটা তো স্যার যদি 4 কমন নিয়ে স্যার 2x * 2y করি
2x 2y না, যদি x y একসাথে থাকে
হুম।
সিরিজ
স্যার 1/2 নিয়ে নিলে তো হয়ে যাবে স্যার 1/2
হ্যাঁ।
ইন্টু
না, ওটা ও যেটা বলছে যে 2x * 2y করলে হবে না, দুটো আলাদা করলে হবে না। যদি x y থাকে তাহলে এটা 2xy করে x1y y1x,
ইয়েস স্যার ইয়েস স্যার x1 * y
এটা আলাদা করলে হবে না, দুটো একসাথে করতে হবে x1y plus y1x. Okay, so it will be here the point is see this, here the point is 280 minus 80 square. So this is our x1 and this is our y1. This is x1 and y1. So 280 into 280 into y plus minus 80 square into x divided by 2. Okay. Yeah, this is x1 y. So x1 y
ইয়েস স্যার ওকে স্যার
plus y1x and divided by 2 because they have the formula is 2xy. So equals to 2a square. This is the equation of the polar. Okay. Now this will give 280y. If we take common a, then it will be 2ty minus t square x minus t square x equals to 4a. 2ty minus t square x equals to 4a. Okay. 2a t. Okay. Now the question, with respect to the hyperbola, will touch the parabola. That means now এখন দেখাতে হবে যে এটা তো একটা পোলার, এটা একটা স্ট্রেট লাইন, এই স্ট্রেট লাইনটা এই প্যারাবোলাকে টাচ করছে, এই স্ট্রেট লাইনটা এই প্যারাবোলাকে টাচ করছে। অনেক ভাবে করা যায়। একটা হচ্ছে এইটার একটা ট্যানজেন্টের ইকুয়েশন বের করে এর সাথে কম্পেয়ার করলে একটা পাওয়া যাবে। আর একটা হচ্ছে আমরা এটাকে সলভ করব। এই 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 যে প্যারাবোলা আছে, যেটা আমাদের গিভেন প্যারাবোলা, থার্ড প্যারাবোলা, এইটা আর স্ট্যান্ডার্ডে সলভ করব। সলভ করলে আমরা একটা যদি দেখতে পাই যে ইকুয়েশনের রুট দুটো সেম, যেহেতু সেকেন্ড ডিগ্রি ইকুয়েশন আসবে, তো রুট দুটো সেম মানে কি টাচ করছে তারা। রুট যদি সলভ করা মানে তো আমাকে ইন্টারসেক্ট করছে। যদি যদি দুটো রুট সেম হয়ে যায় তাহলে টাচ করছে। তারপরে যদি দুটো রুট পায় তাহলে ইন্টারসেক্ট করছে, আর একটা রুট পেলে টাচ করছে। সেটা করবো, ইজি হবে এখানে এই প্রবলেমের ক্ষেত্রে। তাহলে এটা 3।
স্যার কোনটা সোজা হবে, ট্যানজেন্টটা সোজা হবে না সলভ করা সোজা হবে?
এই সলভ করলে সোজা হবে। এই যেহেতু এখানে ইকুয়েশনটা ছোট আছে, y square equals to 4x, তো এখানে সলভ করাটা সোজা হবে।
ওকে
Now y square equals to 4x. This is our given parabola. Solving 3 and 4. Solving 3 and 4. Now from equation 4, we have x equals to y square by 4a. X equals to y square by 4a. Just put this in the equation 3. Then 2ty minus t square into x means y square by 4a equals to 4a. That means here 4at 8 minus t square y square equals to 16a square. 8 minus t square y square equals to 16a square. That means t square y square minus 8 plus 16a square equals to 0. So y equals to, what is y? Sridharacharya formula. This is the second degree equation. So minus b, y equals to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So 8at plus minus root over b square. B square means 16a square t square minus 4ac. 4 means here 4, 16, 64. Oh,
স্যার
yes. Okay.
স্যার
Yes.
স্যার y equal to 4a/t আসছে।
আচ্ছা দেখি কি আছে। 64 a square t square divided by 2a. That means 280, and this is 0. 280 by t square. So this is 4a by t. So the equation only one root. Actually, this is a second degree equation, but the two roots are similar. A second degree equation must have two roots, but the roots are similar. Okay. See this equation 5. This is equation of this is our equation 5. That the equation 5 is a second degree equation. The equation 5 is a second degree equation. By solving, we have the roots, the two roots are same or coincident. The two roots are same. That means two roots same means that is the straight line, which is straight line 3. The straight line 3 intersects the this is the equation parabola, intersects the parabola 4 only at a point. The straight line 3 intersects the parabola only at a point. একটা straight line একটা প্যারাবোলাকে একটা পয়েন্টে ইন্টারসেক্ট করছে, that is straight line 3 will touch the parabola, 4. In general, if we consider a parabola and consider a straight line, then there are two intersecting points. But if the points are same, that means the straight line will touch the parabola. So this is the logic. So the straight line 3 will touch the parabola. This is the required. Find the locus of the point whose polar with respect to the parabola y square equals to 4ax is parallel to the straight line, lx plus my equals to 1. Find the locus of the point whose polar with respect to the parabola y square equals to 4ax is parallel to the straight line this. So we have to find the locus of the pole, and the polar is not given directly, but the polar is a straight line. The polar is not given directly, but it is given that the polar is parallel to this straight line. And the polar is parallel to this straight line. So what is the equation of a straight line parallel to this line? What is the equation of a straight line parallel to this line? What is the equation of a straight line parallel to this straight line?
Sir, Lx plus My equal to K.
Yes, Lx plus My equals to K. So this is our polar. This is our polar with respect to this parabola. Okay. So we are given that y square equals to 4ax. This is our equation on, and Lx plus My equals to 1. This is equation 2. Let equation of a straight line parallel to equation 2. Parallel to equation 2 is Lx plus My equals to K. Lx plus My equals to K. Okay. Let P alpha beta be the pole. Let P alpha beta be the pole of this straight line. This straight line of this, let it equation 3 of 3 of the straight line 3 with respect to the parabola on. Let P alpha beta be the pole of the straight line 3 with respect to the parabola on. Okay. Now the equation of the polar. Equation of the polar of P alpha beta. Equation of the polar of P alpha beta with respect to the parabola on is equation of this point, equation of the polar of this point. Equation of the polar of this point with respect to the parabola on. So it will be beta y equals to 2a into x plus alpha. Beta y equals to 2a into x plus alpha. That means 2ax minus beta y. 2ax minus beta y equals to 2ax minus beta y equals to minus 2a alpha. Okay. This is our equation 4. 2ax minus beta y equals to minus 2a alpha. Now this straight line 3 is also a polar. Straight line 3 is also a polar. And this is the polar. This is the equation of the polar. So 3 and 4 are identical. 3 and 4 are identical. So comparing, we have two a by L equals to minus beta by M equals to 2a by L equals to minus beta by M equals to minus 2a alpha by K. Minus 2a alpha by K. Therefore, okay. Therefore, 2 am equals to minus L beta. 2 am equals to minus L beta. That means 2 am plus L beta equals to 0. So we get a result between alpha and beta. We have to find the locus of the pole alpha beta, locus of the point alpha beta. So we have to find get a result between alpha and beta. Therefore, the equation of the alpha beta, therefore the locus of the point alpha beta. Therefore, the locus of alpha beta is just 2am plus Ly equals to 0. 2am plus Ly equals to 0. This is the locus of point alpha beta. ওকে, আমি কিছু প্রবলেম দিয়ে দেবো, তোমরা করবে।
হ্যালো স্যার,
হুম,
স্যার আরেকটা যে ইকুয়েশন হবে ওটা করার দরকার নেই?
এই যে না এটা আর লাগবে না আমাদের।
ওকে।
ওকে,
Hello, sir.
अटेंडेंस दे दो सब।